If your carpets, upholstery or car interior need cleaning, we have the solution. The Sealey VMA914 Wet and Dry Valeting Machine. The powerful 1300 watt motor makes it ideal for both domestic and commercial use. And it quickly converts from dry vacuuming to wet cleaning by simply changing filters. These excellent machines are supplied with a carpet lance, a handheld lance and a full range of wet and dry accessories. They incorporate a number of time-saving features. A clever switch system built into the hose elbow, which means you can remotely control the detergent pump and vacuum motor without returning to the main unit. This is perfect when you're working in awkward spots, such as car interiors. An external detergent tank, so there's no need to dismantle the machine to refill, and a large capacity drum with a side drain cap for quick emptying of wastewater into a suitable drain. This also minimises the risk of back injury, as there's no need to lift the drum when emptying. The Sealey VMA914. Fast, efficient and easy to use.